Is there a secret to finding and trading those smaller, high-potential crypto gems? If you're looking to trade projects like Newton, whether you mean Newton Protocol or another Newton token, you often have to look beyond the biggest exchanges. The good news is, platforms like KuCoin and Bitget are fantastic places to find these up-and-coming coins. Today, we're diving into a quick, step-by-step guide on how to use either KuCoin or Bitget to trade Newton. First, the all-important prep work. Before you can buy, you need an account. Head over to either KuCoin or Bitget, sign up, and complete any required identity verification. This is standard for security and to unlock full trading limits. Next, you need funds. If you're starting with fiat money, both exchanges offer simple options to buy a base currency like USDT, which you will use for the trade. Alternatively, if you already hold crypto, you can deposit it directly to your exchange account. Now, let's get to the trade. On Bitget, they list Newton Protocol under the ticker NEWT. Navigate to the spot trading section and search for the trading pair, most commonly NEWT/USDT. Once the chart loads, you can choose between a limit order to set your exact buy price or a market order to buy instantly at the current best price. Enter the amount of NEWT you want, confirm your order, and your tokens will appear in your spot wallet. On KuCoin, you can look for NEW or NTN depending on which specific Newton token you are targeting. The process is very similar. Go to spot trading, find your preferred trading pair like NEW/USDT, and then place a limit or market order. The interface is clean, showing you the order book and charts to help you make your decision. Keep in mind that while KuCoin is great for finding new listings, as of now, they may not support selling certain Newton tokens directly to fiat, meaning you might have to trade it back into a major crypto like USDT first. Bitget often offers flexibility with selling into stablecoins and cashing out through their P2P market. The key takeaway is that both platforms provide the tools, charts, and liquidity you need to enter and exit your Newton trades. Just pick the exchange that works best for you and follow those 3 core steps: fund your account, find the correct trading pair, and execute your trade. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.